In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a total to Excel. We will walk through several ways to do it so you can pick the one that fits your worksheet. First up is the quickest option, AutoSum. Click an empty cell directly below the column of numbers you want to total. If you are working across a row instead, click the empty cell to the right of your last number. You should see a blinking cursor in that cell, and the column or row you want to add should be directly touching it with no blank gap. Once that is done, look to the ribbon at the top and go to either the Home tab or the Formulas tab. Both tabs include the AutoSum button, so choose whichever you already have open. On the Home tab, it usually sits on the right side of the number group, and on the Formulas tab, it appears at the far left. Now click the AutoSum button with the sigma symbol. Excel highlights a suggested range of cells with moving dashed lines. These are the numbers it thinks you want to total. You will also see a formula appear in the cell, starting with an equal sign and the word sum. Before you finish, verify that Excel selected the correct range. Make sure all the cells you want to add are inside the highlighted box, and that no extra header or label cells are included. If something is wrong, you can drag the corners of the highlighted box to adjust it. Beginners often forget this check and end up totaling a header cell by mistake. When the highlighted range looks right, press Enter. Excel calculates immediately, and the total now appears in that cell. The formula bar still shows the sum formula, so you can click the cell later and see exactly what range is being added. Next up, let us use the sum formula manually. Click the cell where you want your total, then start typing the formula. Type equal sign sum, then an open bracket, followed by your range, for example, a 2 to a 10, then a closing bracket. You should see the same dashed highlight around a 2 through a 10 while you type. Then press Enter. Excel replaces the formula you typed with the actual total number. If you change any value in that range later, the total updates automatically without any extra steps. To total multiple ranges in one go, type equal sign sum, open bracket, then the first range, for example, a 2 to a 10, then a comma, then the second range, such as C2 to C10, then close the bracket. This way Excel adds both of those blocks of cells together as one combined total. Now let us go over the keyboard shortcut method. Select the cell where you want your total. With that cell active, press Alt plus equal on a Windows keyboard. Excel instantly inserts an AutoSum formula and guesses the range, just like clicking the AutoSum button, which is handy when you prefer using the keyboard. Finally, if your data is formatted as a table, you can add a total row. Click anywhere inside your table data. Excel tables usually have alternating row colors and small filter arrows in the headers, so they are easy to spot. After that, go to the Table Design tab, sometimes labeled Table Tools. On this tab, find and check the Total Row box. A new row appears at the bottom of your table, often with the word Total in the first column. In the column where you want a total, click the drop-down arrow that shows in the total row and choose Sum, Average, Count, or another calculation. Excel uses the subtotal function here, so if you later filter your table, the total only includes the visible rows and ignores the filtered out ones. You have now learned several ways to add totals in Excel using AutoSum, sum formulas, a shortcut, and a table total row. If this helped you get your totals working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Excel walkthroughs.